Hi, I'm Patrick Mannion, editor with EE Times, and I'm here at the Embedded Systems Conference in Chicago, and I'm just finished up a panel here on Android. And I'm joined by Steve Olsen and Jason Kridner. Jason's from TI and Steve's from Mental Graphics, and we had a very scintillating panel here. But the main question is, why do we care about Android?
Why do we care about Android? Well, it's an interesting platform, and I see it actually as a game changer in the industry because it provides a lot of the infrastructure necessary to build up a user experience that's got a feature-rich set of APIs that can be used. There's a lot of developers out there that can be used, and that's why I think
The big ecosystem out there, right, for it, okay?
Yeah. Well, isn't Google Buzz enough of a reason?
That's enough, right?
I myself see Android as a bit of a Linux for dummies, right? A Linux distribution where you have a competent developer in Google making a lot of the core decisions for you, resolving a lot of the license issues for you, just going about making Androids, making Linux simpler, and making GUI development simpler. If you care about having a simple platform for GUIs, for building GUI applications and pulling down big libraries of applications, then Android might be interesting for you. If you're already an RTOS user and you know the value of your RTOS and that's what you need, then you need to be looking at changing, right? Your RTOS is still probably right for you.
When do you not use Android?
Well, that's a good question. In terms of your application, you have to decide what are the main components that you need to have in there. And if you need to have real-time deterministic behavior, then maybe a real-time operating system is the right way to go.
Right.
However, if the user experience is more important, or if you just want to take advantage of all the developers that are out there, then using a system like Android will give you that piece. So defining what you need at the end of the day, and I'd look at a few things. Power management is one. Being able to go to small memory footprint, so if your device needs to be small, then maybe scaling back and using a real-time operating system. Fast boot times are important, and then that deterministic behavior.
Right.
Then I start looking at a real-time operating system. And if you don't have those constraints on your system, then the user experience may matter more. Therefore, go ahead and use Android and take advantage of that infrastructure.
Right.